Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. Lots of questions today. Today is a crazy busy day. My kids start, well, 2 of my kids start school tomorrow, and then I'm homeschooling the other 2, and we've got just a lot to do today. And I gotta do my hair. Guys, my grays are crazy. I forgot that when you use semi-permanent hair color, it doesn't cover grays, so I gotta redo it, and I gotta do permanent because I gotta cover the grays. Okay, first question. What is your opinion of the sharing app such as Super Posher, etc.? By the way, as I've said before, you're my kind of biznitch. I'm blunt and assertive and appreciate other strong women. We aren't bullies, we bully the bullies. So you must be new to my channel because I have talked about in a lot of previous videos about bots and my opinions on them. I actually made an updated video telling you guys that I tried out a bot and I actually loved it. The bottom line is they are against Poshmark terms of service, and I mean, you can do whatever you want with your business, but I don't think that it is smart to use them when you could risk, whoa, I could risk dropping my camera if I do that again. But you could risk losing your Poshmark closet or, being like suspended or whatever. Those are my thoughts. But I will link more videos down below because like I said, I do talk about bots in a lot of videos. Okay, next question. Would love to get your thoughts on the soon-to-be newly thrift app being launched by Urban Outfitters and potential impact to Poshmark sales. Okay, so I talked about this in my previous video. I tried to download the app. I don't think it's out yet. I said I was going to do more research after I made that video, but I still haven't done any research on it. But I don't think the app is out yet because I tried to download one and it was saying, oh, sign up for this. You have to pay $80 a month. Or maybe that's true. Maybe you have to pay monthly for this. If that's the case, like, hell no, not happening. I don't think it'll be able to compete with Poshmark unless you pay monthly and there's no fees on each transaction. That might be a game changer. Whoa. Okay, after this video, I'm going to do some research on it, and then I promise in my next reselling Q&A, I will tell you guys my thoughts because now I'm intrigued. Ooh, that would be... Yeah, if you pay like $80 a month and then you don't have any fees on your transaction, oh my gosh, that would be crazy. I doubt that would be the case though, because that seems like it's too good to be true. But like I said, I'll do research and I'll get back to you. Okay, next question. You've probably answered this before, but do you get your packages scanned and get a receipt at the post office or just drop off, or what do you do? Especially if it's one small package and you could easily just put it in the mail drop box. I used to do that, but had one issue after years of selling, and now I'm paranoid enough to go into the post office for a receipt now. But with low dollar sales, it's just getting old to do that. It's just getting old to do that whole ordeal. Would love advice. Almost every single day I do a pickup. She comes to my house. Like, my mail lady knows what I do. She knows that pretty much every day. Hello? She knows that pretty much every day I will have a bunch of packages for her to pick up. So that's usually what I do because, I stay home with my kids. I don't want to go to the post office and have to drag all my kids into the post office. Like, I don't want to do that. I don't do scheduled pickups unless I have like a shit ton of packages because, like I said, my mail lady knows that every day I'll have packages out there for her. But obviously some days I'll have more than others. And if I think it's too much, then I'll do a scheduled pickup and she'll get like kind of a heads up. Yeah, I trust her that she'll scan all the packages, and I live in a safe neighborhood, so I don't need to worry about people like stealing packages. But if I do have like higher end sales, then I will take them to the post office just for like peace of mind, I guess. But yeah, that's what I do. I used to go to the post office. I used to get receipts. But I can't do that every day. I have had issues. Actually, there was one time recently, I would say like a couple weeks ago, maybe like a month or so ago, where one package wasn't tracking. It was a Lululemon bra, so the package didn't weigh much. What happened was it was windy that day and they blew off. Like, I have like a chair that I set up next to my mailbox and like I put all the packages on there, and that package had blew off like across the driveway into the woods. And luckily I found it.
Open my roll up.
I'll open your fruit roll up.
I want a big one.
You want a big one?
Just like Rella and Emmy.
Like Rella and Emmy? Oh, honey.
So I got Rella one and Emmy one.
Did you got them one? That is nice of you.
Emmy say yeah, and Rella say yeah.
Yeah? Hey, are you excited to start mama school tomorrow? Yeah.
What do we need a backpack? Mama,
You need
my
your backpack?
one back.
Your lunchbox? Oh, I don't know.
Mommy, the one back to do.
You need a lunchbox for school? All right, here you go.
Hey, Mama.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you.
Oh, can you close the door, baby?
Yeah, Poopy.
She just said, yeah, poopy. Guys, I didn't give her the whole fruit roll up. Don't worry. Like, that's a lot. That's a lot for almost 3-year-old. Like, no. I'll just save this part for myself. Little mom hack there. Next question. Hi there, just started watching your videos and love the way you get right to the point. I have a seller question for you. I recently got an offer on a pair of Lululemon shorts. The buyer and I went back and forth a bit with offers and counter offers. I finally messaged him and told him that the last counter was my final and I would add a discount on shipping. He agreed, countered at a price I was okay with, and I edited my listing to discount the shipping price and then accepted his offer. I got a message that there was a payment error on the buyer's end and asked him to fix it. Then he messaged me that his payment info was updated, but shipping discount is not coming up on his end. Weird. Sorry for the long story. How would you do this? If you're in the middle of a few counter offers and agree on a price that includes shipping discount, do you decline and send an offer or just copy the listing and start over? You edited the listing to lower the price to include a shipping discount without like doing the shipping discount. Okay. He might be confused because on his end, it said he still had to pay for shipping. Did you tell him like, hey, I lowered the price to include the free shipping? Maybe that's why he was confused. I haven't run into an issue like this before, but I would do what you did. I would just delete the listing and start over just for less of a headache. I love your videos. You take great photos. Do you use an app? Do you sub any workout? Have you ever had a VA? Would you consider consulting for me? Oh my gosh, there's so many questions. Hold on, you got a bunch of questions. Okay, so do you use an app? So I get this. I've gotten this a lot recently, actually. People will be like, can I see pictures of the actual item? They think that because my background of my pictures is white, that it's a stock photo, which is, I mean, it's a compliment. I don't think my pictures look professional at all, but some people do. But yeah, I use an app called Photo Room to white out the background. I've talked about them in so many videos. I did have an affiliate link with them. I don't know if I still do. I'll have it down below if I do, but I pay $10 a month for it and I like it. I have noticed that depending on where I take the picture, sometimes it doesn't white out the background completely and I have to still go in and, you know, do a little erase myself. So that's kind of annoying. Yes, I've had, how many VAs have I had? Well, okay. So I've had 3, I mean, I guess you could say 4. I hired a VA, oh gosh, not last summer, the summer before. Guys, I am so confused with the time. I keep thinking like COVID started, I did start last year. Oh my gosh, it's almost the end of the year. I don't know. I am so messed up with the timing. I don't know. But I had a VA for like 2 months, one summer, not last summer, the summer before, I don't know, okay? I had her for like 2 months and she was great, but she went back to school. And then I recently hired another VA about a month or 2 ago now, and I love her. She's awesome. I have hired VAs, if you will, to design logos for me. I've gone through like a couple logos. I think I'm on my 3rd logo and I don't know if I'm happy with it. So yeah, so I guess that kind of counts. But I'm really happy with the VA that I have right now. I'm not looking to hire anyone else. If you lived local to me, maybe we could talk because I am looking to hire models and someone to take pictures for me. Like I'm looking to hire like a mini team eventually. Actually, I don't know. Do you want me to reply like personally to you? I think that's what you're asking. I think that's what you're asking, Kat. So I will reply to you personally because I'm pretty sure that's what you're asking. I'm going to end the video now. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get one. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.